If you're seeing Facebook error code 309, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick steps that can help fix it fast. This is a simple troubleshooting guide that you can try right away, whether the issue is happening on your browser, your app, or while trying to access your account. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's start with the quickest solution first. Refresh the page. If you're on a computer, just press F5 on your keyboard. A simple refresh can often clear temporary loading issues and reconnect the page properly. If you're on a phone or tablet, close the page and reopen it, or pull down to refresh if that option is available. If refreshing does not fix the problem, the next thing you should check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, or switch to mobile data if needed. A weak or interrupted connection can trigger Facebook errors like this one, so it's always worth confirming that your device is actually online and loading other websites or apps correctly. After that, try logging out of Facebook and logging back in again. This can help reset your session and clear any temporary account communication problems. If you're using the app, fully close it first, then open it again after signing back in. If you're using a browser, sign out completely, then log in again with your credentials and test the page once more. Another important step is to check whether your account has any restrictions. Sometimes Facebook may limit certain actions if it detects unusual activity, security concerns, or policy issues. Go into your account settings and review any alerts, notifications, or account status messages that might explain the error. If there is a restriction, follow the instructions Facebook provides to restore access. If the error still appears after trying those steps, you may also want to clear your browser cache or update the Facebook app, since old temporary files or outdated versions can sometimes cause unexpected problems. But in most cases, refreshing the page, checking your internet, logging out and back in, and reviewing account restrictions will solve the issue. So to recap, first refresh the page by pressing F5, then make sure your internet connection is working, then log out and log back in, and finally check whether your account has any restrictions. These steps cover the most common fixes for Facebook error code 309. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.